Out of the box, the PitBoss 1150 unit, control unit, increments by 25 degrees from the beginning, 200, all the way through 300 degrees. And then afterwards, after 300 degrees, it jumps up 50 degrees per turn. Good enough, I guess, to get started, but if you want to smoke, you really need to dial it in. So you're going to need to get this control unit reflashed. Now that was the way they used to do it. Nowadays, the units are so dirt cheap, they actually just send you a new brain. Now let me pause for a second. Let that sink in. The master control unit is so cheap that the break-even point of sending you a new unit is actually cheaper than reflashing it. The mind boggles. We are a throwaway culture. Now the change out is easy enough. You're going to need a few things though. A pair of nippers, Phillips head screwdriver. Now personally I used a impact drill just to give it that little jolt to get the screws loose. And then once everything is done, you'll want to tie wrap it all up, make it nice and neat. I put a link from PitBoss on how to install and remove, but really it's as simple as matching color to color. The only thing that might give you a little bit of hang up is the white connects to the white purple. Why they did it that way, I have no idea. The steps. First, disconnect the power. Remove the bottom screws. Nip the ties. Don't cut the wire. Unplug all the connections. Remove the control unit. Now there are some clips on the back end, so give it the old reach around. That will make the unit come out much easier. Once that's out, you plug in the new unit. Again, everything goes to color. The white goes to the white purple. Other than that, it's pretty straightforward. Before you button everything up, turn it on, give it the old testaroo. All good? Good. Tie it up, use your nippers, flush cut it. We take a break from this regularly scheduled program to show you how to properly cut a tie wrap. Got your tie wrap. You know, they come in here and they just nip it. See that? See that right there? That there. If you reach into a cabinet, you're going to cut the living shit out of yourself, or worse, one of your friends, supervisors, or whatnot. So do not cut it like that. You're just cruising. Oh my God, that is the worst. Reach into a blank cabinet. Oh. So, notice, when you got your nippers, come on, focus. Put it down so the blade of that nipper is resting on the back end. You want that nice and smooth. That is the proper way. If you do this for a living and your supervisor goes into a cabinet, reaches in and cuts the shit out of themselves, you're going to be fired so quick it's going to make your head spin. Back to our regularly scheduled program. Screw everything back in place and Bob's your uncle. Now get to smoking. Until next time, stay relaxed, keep on living. Ah, you son of a bitch. Of course, it's right in front, ain't it? No, that thing is gone. I'm gonna have to drill that out.